Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to quickly come on and share my Valentine's Day cards for 2021. So let me share what I used. I used Spellbinder's die, scallop circle, I'm sure. I used this size, I think there was like 3 or 4 sizes in this die, and I keep it here because I use it a lot. So I used that. I used this paper that I got from Michael's the other day, and I just love the ombre effect, and it's pink. So I only made 6 cards this time around. I think Easter will be a big one, and I already know what I'm going to do for that. And then I used, it's a tiny text or tiny type from Stampin' Up, and I use it all the time on on my Valentine's Day cards, it seems. Okay, so and then I use some of the Dollar Tree felt hearts. I bought new ones this year. I think I did a de-stash, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have any hearts. So I went and got me a little bit more. I did not go crazy like I normally do. Okay, so here are my cards. And it's an A2 size card, very simple, nothing to it. Trying to keep it simple. Oh, and then I did some speckling. I've been using this is a retired set from Stampin' Up, and I've seen several ladies, especially Dawn H Creates, that uses it, and I love how it adds to the background, even though the background is the main focal. And I used these 2 Stampin' Up sets. They're probably retired, but I have so many ink pads from Stampin' Up, and they're great. I've had this since 2000. Well, no, maybe 2009 or something. So they are still juicy. They're still great. And I have quite a bit of stamp pads. So I speckled the background, and I just love how that turned out. And these are the lighter pink, and that was the top of the 12 by 12 paper, and then here is the bottom part. And then and then inside I just added a strip, leftover strips, and then another felt heart on the inside, so it kind of goes together. Isn't that cute? And the same thing, I did the speckling on this one. So there's 3 of these, and then 3 of the lighter pink ones. I really love how those turned out. So I want to thank everybody for watching my videos, and thank you for those that have commented. I so appreciate them. You never know when I will do a hidden giveaway. It could be one of these videos. It could be, my crafty dares. I'm going to just randomly pick. So just to be aware. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.